Dr. Pandol is a world-renowned researcher in the diseases of the pancreas, including pancreatic cancer. He has published more than 200 peer-reviewed papers, has several issued and pending patents, and is the editor and reviewer of numerous scientific journals. Dr. Edderkaoui is an expert in cell and molecular biology and has spent the last 15 years researching pancreatic cancer.
Good afternoon. In the United States, up to 50,000 people are diagnosed with pancreatic cancer every year. Worldwide, the number is up to about 330,000 patients diagnosed per year. 80% of those patients will die within the first year, and overall, the mortality is 97% for patients diagnosed with pancreatic cancer. Pancreatic cancer is the fourth leading cause of cancer death in the United States. Experts estimate that by the year 2030, it'll be the second leading cause of cancer death in the United States. Unfortunately, only 10 to 20% of those patients who have a diagnosis of pancreatic cancer have tumors that are amenable to surgery. For the remainder of the patients, chemotherapy and radiation therapy are the only options. Over the past several years, Dr. Edderkaoui and I have developed a group of agents, drugs, that we feel will block the lethal nature of pancreatic cancer. We've designed these drugs to block those pathways that are involved in metastasis and spreading of the tumor throughout a patient's body. We hope that these drugs in clinical trials will demonstrate that they work together with current chemotherapy that is only partially effective to make it extremely effective.
We have tested Metavert in pancreatic cancer cells and in cancer cells isolated from the blood of cancer patients. These are the cancer cells spread into other organs. We found that Metavert was very effective in killing the cells and in improving the effect of chemo and radiotherapy. Furthermore, we have tested Metavert in the most aggressive mouse model of pancreatic cancer and found that Metavert doubled the survival time of these mice. We also found that Metavert completely prevented metastasis in these mice. More importantly, we found that Metavert improved the anti-cancer effect of chemotherapy and radiotherapy without damaging the healthy organs.
We and our colleagues here at Cedars-Sinai Medical Center are very pleased with the initial results in our animal models of pancreatic cancer. And we also have results in other cancers such as liver cancer. We feel that these results show promise for developing this agent into new treatments for pancreatic cancer and possibly other cancers. Recently, we have formed a new company called Avenzoar, which has developed a license agreement with Cedars-Sinai Medical Center to develop our initial drug, Metavert, for treatment of pancreatic cancer and other cancers worldwide.
We have also brought in an experienced drug development management team headed by Terry Brugman, our CEO, who is helping us in the development and commercialization of the drug. Developing a new drug is very expensive. We are raising an initial $2.5 million for the testing, including the first inpatient studies. This will be followed by a much larger fundraising of $10 to $15 million for testing the drug in a much larger group of patients and for seeking the FDA approval.
Please contact Terry Brugman for more information and for inquiring about investment options with Avenzoar.